I'm Nancy Leader on the Zeta Report.
The SOHO satellite has several images taken at regular intervals. The EITs are close-ups of the Sun at various wavelengths. These do not capture Planet X or its dust cloud and trailing moons, which are to the side slightly in the view from Earth, because they have a narrow view. But on December 23, 2007, the Planet X complex, complete with streaming tail, appeared in the red C3 image on the large angle and spectrometric coronagraph. In 2009, this complex started showing up on the blue C2 images too. The first dramatic appearance was on March 27, 2009, in the shape of a winged globe. The planet to the right, in the familiar shape that planets take on SOHO images, is Mercury. The winged globe is one of the depictions of Planet X by the ancients, and the image on the blue C3 was remarkably similar to these ancient drawings of the winged globe. The Planet X complex has shown up since that numerous times on both the red C3 and the blue C2 images, evading the automatic airbrushing programs that NASA put into place. For the Zetas, the satellites are bobbling around in the turmoil that the approach of Planet X is causing, and the Planet X complex is no longer where expected by the airbrushing programs. NASA also runs the Stero satellites, which travel ahead and behind the Earth in the Earth orbit. The views they take include some of what is behind the Sun, which is their purpose. The location of the Stero Ahead satellite is such that it could potentially include a capture of the Planet X complex. Well, has it? What appeared on the Stero Ahead image was a red cross, another ancient depiction of Planet X, aka Nibiru. In ancient Semitic languages, the sign of the cross meant Anu and divine, which evolved to the letter Tav, which means the sign. Upon closer inspection, the red cross has a tail wafting away from it, like other captures of the Planet X complex. For instance, on April 13, 2003, when it was coming in from the night sky, about to enter the inner solar system. Why did Planet X not appear earlier on the Stero Ahead, but now is doing so? Because the Earth is pulling far to the left, trying to evade Planet X, placing Planet X further to the right in line of view. Zeta Talk, December 5, 2009. The cross has been symbolic of Planet X during its periodic crossing since ancient times, as depicted in this Babylonian pictograph. The Sun is in the center. The Moon, trying to evade Planet X as it does, is shown on the left, and Planet X with its symbol, the cross, is shown on the right-hand side as a second sun. Stero Ahead images in two different wavelengths, a red and a green. It didn't take long for the planet of the crossing to show up on the green image, too. NASA has responded to the frequent capture of the Planet X complex on its SOHO and Stero satellites by extensive, unexplained downtime. Well, what else are they to do? Well, they could come clean and explain the presence of Planet X in the inner solar system, the pending passage, and what this will mean for mankind.
Until next time on the Zeta Report, this is Nancy Leader.